UAG Server relies on IIS, which is Microsoft's popular web server product, and is included with all versions of Windows Server, as well as most of Microsoft's client operating systems. When you install UAG, it will automatically configure IIS to the way it is required for UAG's functionality. UAG also installs and configures several other products and roles that it requires. UAG itself includes, besides the ISAPI filter that plugs into IIS, the UAG Management Console, and several services. UAG also installs Forefront Threat Management Gateway 2010, usually referred to as TMG. TMG is Microsoft's enterprise-class firewall and proxy server, and is the successor to the very popular ISA server. TMG serves as the frontline firewall and provides protection to the UAG server with its powerful stateful packet inspection engine. TMG is also a key component in some of UAG's functionality. For example, if you deploy an array scenario in which multiple UAG servers work in tandem, TMG is also in charge of synchronizing the configuration between the array members. TMG also helps to configure some of the VPN scenarios offered by UAG. TMG itself, when it is installed, also installs SQL Server Express, which is used to maintain activity logs for TMG, and can also be used for storing UAG's event logs. Another component that is installed and configured by UAG is Remote Desktop Gateway, which is Windows Server 2008 R2's role that is used to publish the Remote Desktop service to users. It is important to be aware of the existence of these components because the way they interact is significant. The administrator should keep the various components updated with any service packs or patches that are released for any of them. However, the administrator should refrain from updating the versions. For example, you should not update the SQL Express instance to full SQL or to SQL 2008 R2. The administrator should also avoid configuring any of these components for any use other than UAG, with only a few exceptions. For example, even though TMG is a very advanced proxy server, the organization must not attempt to use this functionality on a UAG server. Similarly, creating additional sites on the IIS server used by UAG is unsupported and could lead to problems that may go as far as making the entire server inoperable. The above and the exceptions to it are listed on Microsoft's Support Boundaries document on TechNet.